Hi everyone, this video is about face mask sheet. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on future videos. So let's see how to make this face mask sheet and what difference it makes from a regular face mask and a face sheet mask. So the first ingredient here is oats. I am actually soaking 2 to 3 spoons of oats overnight. This has to be soaked well so that when you grind it, you will get a very smooth paste. And oats has vitamin B12 and very rich antioxidant that keeps your skin very hydrated and gives you a lot of brightness. In one use, I could see a drastic change in my face. For about 3 days, I could see the brightness. So here I have soaked 1 cup of oats overnight, and the next day morning I have grinded it with vanilla essence. I've taken 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence and grind it into a smooth paste. After the paste, we have to filter the mixture. When you use face mask sheet, it actually keeps your complete face well hydrated and it allows your skin muscles to soak completely with all the ingredients that you apply. If you use a direct mask, when it exposes to the air, it dries it very fast and you may feel tightness in your skin, and the moisture that we are looking for may not be for longer. So face mask sheet gives you much more better results compared to a natural mask. Now here I have filtered the oats milk. Now the next important ingredient is to make the face mask sheet. I have used a reusable tissue paper here. You can use a wet tissue paper. You also get a ready-made face mask sheet which doesn't have any kind of a flavor in it. So as per the dimension of my face, I have cut the reusable tissue paper with oval shape, and I have also left some space for my eyes and nose and my mouth area. This tissue actually soaks the complete ingredient better. It absorbs the moisture that is required and it also keeps the complete face hydrated. When I used it for the first time, I applied it for 30 minutes and I could see the skin brightness for 3 days. So you can make many more skin sheet mask with different ingredient that is suitable for your skin. All the ingredients I have selected are from the kitchen and very easily available either in a medical store or in any of the grocery store. Now let's look into the other ingredients as well. Along with the oats milk, what are we going to use? This sheet mask is mainly for dry skin people, for them to give extra moist on their skin and gives them good hydration and brightness. So the first ingredient here is I have taken a plate and I have taken 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. To this aloe vera gel, I have taken again 2 to 3 spoons of oats milk, which is grinded, that you have already seen. Now once this is added, you need to mix it well so that it gives you a creamy kind of a texture. So the next ingredient is vitamin E capsule. I have taken 2 capsules here that gives extra nourishment, and vitamin E heals any kind of rashes in the skin and also gives you anti-aging properties around the fine lines which many of the dry skin people would suffer. Now the next ingredient here, I have eucalyptus oil. I have taken 4 to 5 drops. This is just for a calming feel. It is optional and you can totally skip it. Now the next ingredient is glycerine. Glycerine is easily available in any medical store. When you use glycerine, you should use only 5 drops maximum, not more than that. Glycerine helps you in tightening the skin, giving the brightness to your skin, and also leaves the skin young and beautiful, so that it also improves the elasticity of your skin. Now I have taken 2 to 3 drops here and mixing the entire mixture well so that it looks like a lotion, a body lotion. So it has to be blended very well. Well, you can add some more oats milk if you feel the mixture is getting thicker. It has to be in the form of lotion. The consistency has to be in the form of body lotion. The next step, once you blend it well, the next step would be to soak the tissue what we had cut out. You have to soak it for 5 minutes so that the entire mixture should get absorbed into the reusable tissue paper. I have made 4 folds into that and soaking the complete mixture into the tissue paper. Once it is soaked well, you can wash your face with a plain water or with a face wash and apply this on your face and leave it for 20 minutes to half an hour. I have made much more beauty videos and makeup hack videos and bridal videos. Please do check out on my videos, and thank you so much for watching my channel, and do subscribe.